Introduction to Trello Power-Ups.
The Trello Power-Ups are add-ons that enhance the functionality of your boards. They help you streamline workflows by integrating new features and automation tools directly into Trello. By using Power-Ups, you can automate repetitive tasks, connect with other apps, and boost your overall productivity, all without leaving your Trello board.
Setting up Power-Ups in Trello.
To start using Power-Ups, open your Trello board and click on the Power-Ups button in the menu. Browse the available options such as automation tools and app integrations. Select the Power-Ups that fit your needs and enable them with a single click. Most popular automation features are available even on free Trello plans.
Automating tasks with Butler Power-Up.
The Butler Power-Up is Trello's built-in automation tool. Butler lets you create rules and commands to automate actions like moving cards, setting due dates, or sending notifications. For example, you can set Butler to automatically move a card to the done list when a task is completed, saving you time on manual updates.
Integrating with other tools using Power-Ups.
Power-Ups go beyond Trello's basic functions by connecting to other apps. You can link Trello with Slack, Google Drive, and more. For example, use the Calendar Power-Up to automatically sync deadlines, or the Slack Power-Up to receive board updates in your team chat, making collaboration smoother and more efficient.
Tips for optimizing your automated workflow.
To get the most from Trello Power-Ups, start by identifying your most repetitive tasks. Use automation to handle routine actions and integrate with your favorite tools for seamless workflow management. Regularly review your automations to fine-tune them and ensure they're meeting your goals. With the right setup, you'll save time and keep your projects running smoothly.